Previously, we created header and footer. So we can, and then right now what we should do is we need to separate the main HTML to different parts because we'll be recycling both header and footers in most of the pages. If you have multiple pages, so we'll be recycling that one. To do that, so go to your source code and then change that one to 04 if you need this one. So change this one to 04 origin. These are the local branch. So like sometimes if I already change it, so you will see this guy. Normally you change to origin. So change to that one, and then you don't need much because this is not a complicated project, so we don't need it. Just go to open, close everything. So I want to make everyone to be clear and concise. So just open index.php and then go to header. Open header.php, so both at the same time, and then copy line. So take 59. So 1 to 59. So just you need to cut. And then make sure you save. And then go to header.php and then paste. So cut that one and then close this one. We don't need it anymore. Bye bye. And then go to footer.php. Sorry. We will do the same. So if you have any idea, go and do that. Just pause the video, go and do them. So go down here. I'll go down from the preview. So this is a folder. So I make it clear that so the line one, if you cut, yeah, you leave one line above, yeah. So you'll be either line 119 or 120. So start from 120, look for the footer. And then cut, save, and then go to footer.php and then paste. And go back to your, make sure your site is running, and then go back to yours, and then let's refresh what happened. So I want to show you step by step because we are not skipping any steps. And then what will happen, if something cut and paste and so you will see similar to this because the reason it's happened is it's CSS styling, and then so we didn't use any JavaScript, so this one lost everything, and then we lost the navigation bar. And then go to your we close this one. Go to your index.php and then go to the top, and then give it one more line, space between that, save it, and then type it PHP. Okay, sorry. And then call that function, that WordPress function you have to call is WP header. So that's same for footer. So let's see if that one's working. Okay, it doesn't like it. There's something wrong. So let's go back. Sorry, go ahead. Sorry. My brain's not working. Okay, go ahead. Get to that. So that should be it. you don't need to remember, you don't need to remember the don't memorize, and then you will get it, and then sometimes you guess yourself like, oh, it's a get header, WP header, and then anyway you will find, you will look at the WordPress documentation, and then you will be, so that should be further, you will remember it, and then and then your brain will absorb naturally, rather than you are trying to memorize in what's happening. That's not good. So just relax, and then do the, if you have a like template or something like a simple project you can watch, and then that's good. Go and look at it, and then you will remember it at second time, third time, and then sometimes you may be confusing with some parts. It's normal, so that's human. So I think this is pretty much that's it, and then I hope you will understand, you will see that how we tackle the errors, and then this is a live coding. So I'm trying to do live coding because sometimes it's different from you are so precious, and then talking, explanation, and everything. So brain is working simultaneously for everything. So sometimes I may have a mistake, so please forgive me. And then English is not my first language, and I'm trying to improve. So if you really hate this one, so please take a concept and then make a tutorial similar to this. Don't copy that. So according to copyright, so I challenge you. So I see you in next tutorial, and then bye bye for now.